Yesterday, I literally had my finger on the delete button ready to get rid of this entire YouTube channel because I have no idea if this is ever going to work. And the frustrating part is I probably won't know for 2 or 3 years. And while I am going to rant about a woman we're going to call Schmerry, I cannot stop thinking about this whole YouTube thing is pretty much a metaphor for all the choices we're making about our future right now. First, codename Schmerry. It is very frustrating that I look at channels on here where the person isn't even looking at the camera. Their sound is super terrible. They're filming on a phone against a stack of books, and they're doing amazing. Hundreds of thousands of views, thousands of subscribers, and hundreds of comments. And then there's me, 8 months later, stressing over my lighting, working on my editing, trying to get better at that, trying to make these thumbnails better, always taking selfies. Then I see a comment. I finally get a comment, and I do this whole happy dance, and I rejoice it. And then I realize it's my mom. Now know that I support small channels. I am super excited. There's room for everybody. And then I saw Schmerry's channel on my homepage. This poor woman. Her channel started like 2 weeks ago. She has 3 videos. She has the same number of subs I have after 8 months. And her latest video has 13,000 views. Well, 13,001, because of course I watched. And she's fine. She's fine. She's fine. But literally everything she's saying is generic AI written chat, GPT language. If you know it, you know it. You can spot it. And fine. That's fine for her. But it frustrates me and makes me feel very jealous, which isn't my best look. So I was so furious that immediately I opened ChatGPT, who I call Max, and ranted to him in jealousy. Yeah, I see the irony. Secretly, I don't hate Schmerry. I just really thought mine would move faster than this. I was so excited to help people in this big format, and I wanted to have a fun group to share this journey with to retirement and beyond. I thought for sure that if I learned all the stuff, made all the right moves, there was no way I wouldn't have a community of women by now. Video chatting over coffee on a Saturday morning, redesigning our lives together. That's the dream. So I did what everyone does. I went looking for answers. And what I found was 100 or more very confident people all disagreeing with each other. Post daily, no weekly. Quality over quantity. Go short form, no. Long form is in. Long form builds trust. Niche down, no. Broaden out. That's when it actually hit me. Even the experts can't tell me how this is going to turn out. Some things you just can't know from the middle of them. And you could only know looking back. And I realize this channel is just a metaphor for everything I am doing right now. I'm trying to figure out how much money I'm going to need in retirement, what the tax implications are. Do I stay in California? I'm trying to figure out what I should be doing for my health. I've got fitness bands tracking everything. I'm online researching what's the best weight loss, what's the best for my heart, and always with what foods fight against dementia and strengthen kidney health. Maybe you're doing all these things too. There's almost too much information out there. And then there are the bigger questions like, where might I want to live? What do I want my days to look like? And who do I want around me? Sometimes that's nobody. There are experts everywhere, and I am grateful for them. I'm gathering information over here. I'm listening to people who know more than I do. I'm changing course when something isn't working. But at some point, I still have to make the best guess and move forward, which is quite scary sometimes. Experts can improve your odds, but it can't tell your outcome. You can do your homework, make the best decision you can, and still not know. Because I don't get to meet 70-year-old me and ask her what worked. I have to build her life without knowing yet. And in a few years, I'll know a little more, and I'll look at what I'd saved, and I'll feel how I feel in my body, whether this channel actually came together, or I lost my mind and deleted everything, whether it was mostly just me and my mom the whole time. And I'll make my next best guess from there. But here's what I'm hoping for. That I'm doing an actual happy dance by then. I'm hoping this channel is thriving. Lots of people are getting joy and benefit from it. I'm hoping I feel strong and capable and comfortably ready for whatever retirement actually looks like for me. I'm still doing the work today with the knowledge that future me is going to be glad I did. I'm curious. Tell me in the comments what's one thing you're doing right now that you won't know worked for several years. How are you setting yourself up for success? Together, we're building a life we love. I'm GenX Missy. Until next time. Poor Schmerry. I feel bad that I have maligned her. She's just a creator just starting out and doing well. That's her big crime. I've become a jealous, horrible person, and I'm going to let it go right now. It's not her fault that for some reason the YouTube algorithm hates my guts. I'm sorry, Schmerry. Schmanks, everybody.